Welcome to Metropolitan Park here in Panama. This is the city park. Dorothy Wilson. Okay, so this should be like a 30-minute hike up the mountain. Let's just check it out. Just join me. Walk through nature. So if you come here with your kids and stuff like that, you know, you got spot where you can have the kids play. You can exercise. Kids play over here. Get that coconut. Look like it's almost ready. Yeah. So we're about to get on Dorothy Wilson Trail. Well, Los Cabos, I believe that's the name. Los Cabos. It's going this way. So we have different senderos I can see. We got this one. Okay, so what it says here. Gente trabajando, somos el mundo, estamos conectados de muchas maneras a otra persona y tierras alrededor del mundo. That's so true. We're all connected to nature, right? Regardless of where we're from, we're all connected to nature. So sometimes if you're not feeling good, you know, nature can be your therapist. Hey, look, they got a bamboo tree right there. Yeah, one thing with Panama have a lot of bamboo trees. Very diverse forest. You know, over here we have snakes, we have deers, we have tigers, jaguars. You know, in Jamaica we don't have them things. Jamaica, you can sleep a bush and not have to worry about nothing. Over here, so. Right, so one of the animals living. That one they call Neki. It's a little rodent, you know. Say it's native from northern Mexico. From northern Mexico to northern Argentina. Feeds on fruits and seeds, especially on palms. Tuberculosis. I don't know what is that. I think I know, but brotes de hierba, like grass and herbs. So yeah, it's a little rat or a little rodent. They call it Neki, and they actually eat it over here. The indigenous people, they eat it over here. They say it's delicious, but yeah, I might not eat no rat, you know. So give you a view of the compound. Check it out, family. So yeah, this is just the start of more consistent vlog coming from CMOS King. You understand? Just want to give praises to the Most High. Thank you for everyone for coming along this new journey. You know, I'm new to this whole YouTuber experience, and I'm just using it as a channel to really express myself, you understand? So just join with me on this journey, you know, subscribe, share, like, you know, all you're gonna see is just natural stuff, organic stuff, motivational stuff. If you love nature, well, this is the channel that you need to come and visit. All right, so this is the Parque Natural Metropolitano, right? Got this beautiful tree right here. This is it. So it seems like it has some pink flowers. Say this tree is around 10 to 30 meters tall. and around 20 to 80 centimeter to, you know, based on the diameter. Okay. Say they use it for furnitures and stuff like that, and for floors. So it seems like it's a pretty expensive lumber. All right, so I know I said welcome to the sendero, but this is kind of give you an idea. Sendero del Parque. So the office is right here, right? Oh, you can't see. You can see now. The office is right here where we were at, and we're here right now. So we're about to join the sendero right here. I think we should go Las Calvas, because the last time I actually go to El Roble. Interesting. Let's do that. We're gonna turn around and we're going to. Nah, we're not turning around. We're going to Los Cabos when we're coming back. Let's do that. We'll go to Los Cabos when we're coming back, right? From here, we come here, and then we go here and come around, come back to the office. So we're here. We're gonna take this route, go all the way up. Might check this out because I haven't been over there. I haven't been here either. And take this route to go up. So join us, family. All right. So yeah, man, feels so peaceful, yo. Not gonna lie. Hey, what's that? You see it? So some sort of infrastructure over there. Maybe they use it to feed the animals, the monkeys or something like that. Nah, bro. So yeah, welcome here, Panama City. You know, if you're in Panama City and you just want to have a quick hike in nature, you can come over here. So this entire video is going to be this hike. I'm going up and coming down. Don't want to go too fast. Might have to chop up some of the clips so you guys can see the full, you know, video, full trip going up and coming down. But yeah, all right, got the little stream right there. So yeah, family, you know, I just want to give thanks to another day, you know, another beautiful day. Thanks to the Most High, you know, always. Got this bridge. See, when it's raining, you know, it's like a stream. It gets the water off the hill. So we're actually going up. I'll give you an idea of the elevation once we're there. I think this should tell us. So this tells us a little bit more about the tree, the roble. If you want to know more about trees, you can come. You can check that out, family. All right, so we have a little pond right here. Last time I came, they had some tortuguitas, some tortugas, some little turtles. There's one over there. They're swimming towards me. Too bad I didn't bring no food. Hey, look at this one. He's going away. Beautiful. You have to enjoy nature. But yeah. Hey, look at those. They're on the tree trunk that's in the water. Take a look. Wow. Wow. So yeah, it's pretty dense, as you can see. Yeah. I think this is a mango tree. This one look like a mango tree right here. From a yard man, you must know mango tree from see mango tree. So a bunch of palms. They're planting palms. Okay. Palm trees, but they just let them grow like without no coordination. So it seems like it's a little nursery that they abandon. That's weird. Why would you just have a bunch of palm trees in tanques in nature like that? Well, that would be interested to know what they look at. I think they just left it abandoned because look at those 4 palm trees right there. They're right up against the tree, and you can see that they're still alive. The trunk seems a bit dry, but if you look right there, that's the leaf. That's the leaf. So yeah, maybe they need to check this out. They need to maintain it. Seems like over here is pretty active across the fence. It's like a greenhouse. They have different plants. I guess those plants didn't sell. Is that it? Oh, they got a gate right here. Oh, okay. What else? Yeah. Got some mango trees. Yeah. So we come up an intersection. So this is the Los Cabos right here. So remember I told you that once we coming back down, we going this way to see what it's like over there. So we're now here. We were here, right? Now we're here. We're going here, then we going up. Let's go. What they got right here? interesting. No, me, I'm always curious to find out. It was kind of spooky. It's kind of spooky right here. But yeah, let's get out. Let's go up. So yeah, getting a little bit of elevation right now. So yeah, let's go, family. You already know. Now we're here to show you nature, what nature has to offer. Look at these beautiful wild plants. Beautiful. All right, so we're going up, up. I don't know, but when I'm in nature like this, it just feels good. Feels relaxing. So yeah, people, once again, if you're still here, this is just a start. Looking to film a lot more content, different places. I'm starting locally here in Panama. For who don't know me, well, I guess the majority of you don't know me. I am born Jamaican. Was born in Jamaica all my life. Went to school in Jamaica. You understand? Born in Kingston. Come from a place called Spanish Town. So all me yard of them, I don't know where I go. So yeah, been living overseas for 10 years. No, over 10 years, yeah. Right now we in Panama, and we just enjoying life. We got this passion from a long time ago, from when we were a kid. We used to run up and down in the bushes with the animal. So this life is what we used to. We going back to the roots. That's my goal, to go back to the roots where I'm from. Yo, check this out. This bird, Trogon calypso, I don't know what the hell. But yeah, it's a colorful bird, as you can see. It eats on insects and cocoa plant and stuff, like cocoa fruit, stuff like that. So yeah, if you ever want to experience South Central America, natural diversity, check out that tree, that root. The root is literally around 20 meters. Wow, that's crazy. Beautiful. Morning. Hello. So yeah, there are other people here hiking as well, tourists. Ay ay ay. Ay ay ay. All right, so I don't know what's this. It looks interesting. It's like a big, huge metal drum or tank that they just left there or something. Maybe a water tank. So, you know what? I'm going to take the shortcut. Let's go. Not going around this time. So we just cut that out. Would have had to go all the way down and come all the way back around. But we just took a nice little shortcut. And we're here on the trail again. So, sometimes once you know how to navigate through nature, because in some places they don't have streets, they don't have roads, they don't have trails like this one, right? And you still have to find out how to move, how to go around in these type of places. Morning. Morning. So yeah, hiking in Panama City, Metropolitan Park. That's where we're at. It only cost me $1 to come up here to get the band. They gave us a band. Cost me $1 just for you to be able to hike up here. You can get your water, stuff like that. And yeah, let's check this out. Oh, so yeah, feeling the elevation right now. Sweating. So yeah, as you can see, we have a lot of people that actually walk this trail. Some are locals, and some are foreigners. But you find people that like nature wherever you go. It doesn't matter your nationality, wherever you're from. Doesn't matter. People that like nature always find themselves in similar spot, in the same spot, same locations. Yo, I heard something inside the bush. Yeah. A lot of young bamboos growing over there, over here as well. All that in the back right there is bamboo plants, bamboos. That's the sound alone, the vibration. It's therapeutic. Yeah, you know what I'm talking about. If you're not an active person, at least try, to do something. Like me personally, I've tried going to the gym. But I've never really had the discipline to stick to it. I don't know. Still something I would like to do though. But I find it that I enjoy going on hikes, which is good cardio as well. It helps you physically, and it gives you a complete reset. Gives you a complete reset. So it's like a 2-in-1, or maybe more than that. But I find it more beneficial for me right now to go on hikes than to go to the gym. It's kind of bored sometimes. I don't know. Just be in the gym lifting weights. I'd rather work, clean my house, clean my yard, climb a tree, go hunting, farming, these are the type of things. So we started here, ended up here, now we're here.
I was already here at the lookout point.
Nice. Last time I went here, go to the lookout point, but this time I'm going this way and come around. Let's go.
Left is actually the right way.
This time I'm coming this way. Hey, this plant, you got some berries. Like they're yellow. They're yellow right now. Focus, yeah. See, they're yellow. But check this out. The ones right here are looking kind of bluish, purplish, kind of like blueberry. I have to drink some water. Refreshing. This seems like it was, I don't know, looks something more like a prison. This is where we are right now. It's good, it's green. Buenas. No, aquí el camino para subir a la loma. El camino para subir a la loma.
¿Al mirador?
Sí.
Siga la calle y llegará hasta el mirador.
¿Cuál? Este.
Por ambos.
Ah, sí.
Ahora mismo estamos aquí.
¿Dónde?
Aquí.
Aquí.
Sí. Este todo es una calle hasta el mirador.
Estamos aquí. Hay otro mirador allá arriba también.
El principal, donde se ve toda la ciudad.
Ah, este. Ok, ok. ¿Y este me lleva hasta dónde?
Hasta
Hasta
arriba.
aquí.
Sí.
Pero aquí.
Ese sería este.
¿Dónde?
Este de naranja
Ajá.
sería ese de allá, la cieneguita.
Sí. Pero la vuelta pasada cuando salí um, de la vegetación en la calle, coge por la izquierda me llega a un mirador.
Ok, usted hizo este. Aquí hay un pequeño mirador,
Ajá.
bajó y llegó a este entonces.
No, no este.
Aquí hay dos miradores,
Ajá.
el de los cabos y el de Mono Tití.
Y este me lleva donde este.
Ahí arriba el mirador del Mono Tití.
Ok, gracias. Gracias, amigo. Alright, so I don't know what happened, but it seems like the last time I came here, I made a mistake, or maybe I went to the wrong, well, not the wrong, but I went to a mirador. When I got on the street, I turned left and I got to a mirador. So I'm like a bit lost. But what? Oh, that's a baby. So that was a baby slot. My camera didn't pick it up. Oof, finally, after making a wrong turn, we're now at an altitude of 135 meters above sea level. So this hill is called Cerro Cedro. Lookout of the National Park, Metropolitan National Park. Oof. Check out the view. Check out the view. Like it's gonna rain. Congratulations, you've made it. You've reached at the first level of height of 135 meters above sea level. Lungs of the city, pulmón de la ciudad de Panama. You understand? Since this is my new home, I'll be showing you a lot more. A lot more. Check out the city over there, the entire city. Metropolitano.